Let's go to the load balancer first. This is our load balancer. This load balancer has a security group. This is a security group. Go to the instances. First, go to this instance one. Go to security group. EFS demo. Second instance, same security group. That means if you modify in one location, it will reflect in both. So I'm selecting server one. Go to security group. Go to this security group. Open a new tab. Click on edit. I am removing this first. Add rule. Which rule? HTTP rule. It can be connected from where? Anywhere. That's what we have learned. Now we need to restrict. Security group. Whose security group it is? Load balance security group. 80 is only accessible from here, from this security group. Now, I am refreshing this page. Loading means after some time, you will see it is not accessible. Or else I can close this. Let it come. We'll wait. Take the IP address. I'm going to this particular browser, checking here. Still loading. Going to another browser, taking the IP address of server 2, checking here. And I'll close this. Do you see it? Is it coming? This is how you restrict access, direct access to the server. How it is accessible? Through a load balancer. Through a load balancer is accessible. Load balancer has a DNS name. If I use this DNS name, I should get the content of server 1 and server 2. Will I get the server 1 content? It will not come. So what you're supposed to do? You're supposed to go to this target group, which is here. Inside this target group, do you have targets? Register targets. If I go back to the load balancer, if I take the DNS name, what content I will get here? Server 2. Refresh. Load balancer is sending the traffic to server 1 and server 2 in round robin fashion. Round robin means first request server 1, whatever the server. I cannot say server 1. First request one server, second request another server. It is sharing. It is distributing the traffic to the two available servers. Where in network load balancer is not going to do like that immediately. It takes some time to do it. And what you understood here, two things. One, direct access to the instances, we have removed it. And we are able to access with the load balancer. This load balancer we called inside the Route 53. That means if I call with this name, I will be able to access two different content if I refresh. If I refresh again, I'll get the other content. This you understood now. The flow you understood. Perfect. Now I have to do path-based routing. Path-based routing means, for example, here I'm saying register. Do we have register? Did we deploy something as a register? No. So you should go to all the way to the server. Two servers we have. I will go to server 2 or any one of the server. What are you trying to say? If somebody access cloudbinary.in, request will go to server 1, server 2. If somebody access like cloudbinary.in/register/something, that request only should go to one server, not both the servers. Why? You don't want to send the traffic to both the servers. Unnecessarily it's a load. So you're sending specific, you're filtering. To say basically you're filtering. All traffic sending to both the servers. Specific traffic sending to one server.